Come to your hammock. Stand at the center and lean back. Extend your arms overhead and stretch. Open your arms, sink into chair, feet flat. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, hands to your forehead, back to chair. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, narrow arms through center to the heart. Again, inhale up, mountain peak, arms wide through your chair to forward leaning T. Come back down to your flat feet, mountain peak. Lean it back, grab onto your hammock and lean back into your back bend. Tiptoe forward so you're by the center and release your hands down. Grab onto your hammock. Wave your body up, staying on your toes. Stretch your arms out to balance your body and then stand back in. Lean back over, hold on. Lift one arm away or both arms away again. Stretch out in your back bend, just breathe slow. When you're ready, grab on. Body wave up to standing on the toes, arms extend out to the sides. Stand up. Turn around and open up your hammock. Wave it side to side. Take it in your fingers. Turn around away from your hammock and gather 5 or 6 gathers, maybe even 7 or 8, depending on your hammock length. Step back to the center, bring the hammock to your hips and press down. Lift your toes, lift one leg and have a seat. Lift your arms up to the back of your hammock. Open up your angel wings. Take your hands to the edges. Spread your fingers wide. Bring the hammock to your neck wrap. Grab the hammock on both sides of your neck and bring the hammock together in front of your neck. Place your feet inside the hammock. Cover your legs. Bring the hammock all the way up and straighten out your legs, placing the hammock over your knees. Thumbs up. Thumbs on the back of the hammock. Fingers go inside and turn those fingers in towards each other. Pressing your hands towards your feet go over the head. If you get stuck, take one foot out, place it above your hand, pressing to give yourself an assist. Then place the foot back in the pocket with your other leg. Let go of your hands. Spread your hands wide, staying inside the hammock. Bend your knees and let the hammock catch your shins or your knees. This is gargoyle. Push into your toes and lift your knees out of the hammock so you're in mosquito. It's like plow. And then bring your belly down to the floor. Look forward, open up your chest. Vampire. Press into your toes to lift back up into mosquito. Those legs are straight. And then bend the knees to come back to gargoyle. Bring your waist to the floor, open up your chest in vampire. Gargoyle, bent knees, press into the toes, grab on, push into the toes, and you'll flip right back over. Take your feet out, sit up, keeping your arms in the back. Release your shoulders through the middle towards the front edge to floating child's pose. Come back into your angel wings. Bring your fingers to the edge of your hammock and then place the hammock at your neck. Grab the hammock on both sides of your neck and touch them together at the center. Place one foot in. So stretch it out and place one foot on top and one foot underneath. Make sure your neck is covered. Your thumbs go up. Place the thumbs on the back side of the hammock. Reach your fingers inside and flip yourself over. Remember, if you get stuck, take one of your feet above your hand and push. That same foot can go straight down towards the floor. Let go of your hands, spread your fingers wide, and step your foot forward a bit. Stretch out into your split. Press into your toes that are wrapped in the hammock to help lift you up. Swing the other leg up and over, and then switch sides. Check your neck to make sure it's wrapped, thumbs on. As you come back down, place your free leg to the floor and stretch out into your split. Press into your foot that is wrapped, flipping yourself back over. Take your feet out, your arms through the back, and release to floating child's pose. Rocking cradle dismount, toes to your nose, feet to the floor. Lean your body back into chillax, stacking your arms between your head and the hammock.